What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this Hyundai here. This is a 2019 model. We have a cabin filter, PTC, and there's the part number. So inside this box we have a filter. This is called a cabin filter, so somebody must have opened this up before me because it has a, so they must have returned it. But anyways, this is what the filter looked like. Hopefully it's correct because they played around with it already, but I don't want to judge my parts department guy. So we're gonna put this in, and we do follow the airflow sign there, symbol. So make sure you follow that arrow just the same way you pull out. Let's leave this here. We're gonna come back over here, but we're gonna take the camera inside. So to change the cabin filter, you need to go inside the vehicle on the passenger side. And what we're gonna do is make sure your key, everything, the fan, motor, everything's off. You don't want nothing on. Make sure this is off. Let's put that on 0. All right, so right here in the glove box, you're gonna open the glove box. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this little guy right here, this tabs, and you're gonna pop open this little guy. Sometimes it will get rough, tough. Ah, come on. One hand ain't gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do is try to force it off. This is a plunger, okay? Just pull it really hard, that will come off. This is the plunger that makes it come down smooth. Without that, check this out. You open it, the thing falls down. Without that, that's what happens. So you have this little guy. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna turn this just like that. Same thing here, counterclockwise and counterclockwise. And you should be able to remove both of these, and after that everything just gonna fall. So right in here you have this little box. It has a squeezing tab here, and the other side is like an earlobe, and you should be able to take this guy off. And airflow sign right there, airflow is pointing down. There you go. And let's pull out this cabin filter, and it doesn't look so good. Look at that, super dirty. Up. We'll clean that up. So this is the filter came out, and this is what they put in the box. So it's wrong completely. I'm gonna have to call the parts guy and get another filter. Once I get it, we'll complete the job. If not, we might have to order something. Then we're gonna have to put this back and postpone the video, but I will post up a video. I'll finish it off with this little cabin filter right here. Guys, I got a new filter here. That's the brand Wix. There you go, it looks good. There's a part number right there. Did come with a little document inside, which I don't care about. So we're gonna simply just take this filter. There's an arrow sign on it. Now we're gonna go back inside again, inside the vehicle. And the filter is gonna go inside the glove box. I did close it up because the light was running. So pretty much we're gonna take our filter. Remember the arrow sign, okay? Do follow the arrow sign. Where did it go? Right there. And this thing simply just sits inside. It's like a little tray itself. All right, and let me grab the front lid. So to put the lid in, you simply put this side in and you clip it in. That's how simple it is to get that guy in. So the next step is, don't forget these little guys that we removed. Now we need to go clockwise, 1, and there's a second one on this side. Make sure it's in the inward angle because you won't be able to get it if you put it away. It's got to be a little bit further in. So let me hook this up, and then once I push it in a little bit, I just turn it clockwise. Don't forget the plunger. All right, what this is, I showed you how this works, and that goes in. And let's put some of these documents the customer had in there and test it. It should come down smoothly just like that. See that? All right, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. We'll see you on the next one. Let me remove some of this stuff.